Hi students, welcome to Viru Coaching Center. So in the previous part we discussed IBPS RRB Clerk 2021 paper up to 15 questions, right? And the remaining questions we are going to continue in this session. Okay, so fine. Okay, let us start our session. So the next question is actually we already covered all these questions in the part 1. Okay. So this is 16th one we have to solve, right? Just give a second. Yeah, this is. So what is the question now? So 2324 divided by 73 into 1095 divided by 83. So that is equal to x into 35 is given. So it's a simplification question. So how many times it can divide, right? So few times I told you in the part 1, few times we need to apply the regular methods or basic methods. That is, let us say this 83 can be divided in 2324 or 1095 like that. We need to verify that. Okay, actually in 1095 83 cannot go. Of course it goes, but how many times we don't know actually, right? So I'm going to check whether it is divisible by 83 or not. So first we'll check with 2324. So let us say how many times actually. So 3 times means it becomes 240, around 240, right? So that's why I'll take only 2 times. 2 times means this is 166. 166 is the value, 283 is up. So this is 12 minus 6 is 6, and again 12 minus 6 is the 6, and you'll get a 0 here, and this is 4 is the carry. And now 83 8s we can take. 83 8s are like 664. Yes, exactly divides. 83 divides 28 times. So similarly 73 in 1095. So how many times? 73. Okay, actually it is 2 times 140 around. So only 1 time I am going to take. This is 6 and 3. So carry down is the 5. So now how many times can I go with the 5 times? Yeah, 5 times is the 365. So it means you can divide 15 times. Okay, fine. So now in 15 and 35, 3 table 5 times and 7 times. 7 again in 28, 4 times. So 4 5s are 20 actually. So right. Okay, sorry, 5 table here 3 times. Sorry, not 5 times. 4 3s are 12. So your x value is 12. This is your answer. Simple concepts, but needs a little bit of time. Okay, the next one, the last one in the simplifications category, right? 65%, 65 by 100 into 420 minus 85 by 100 into 240. I told you in the last class, if the denominator is in hundreds, don't cancel these 2 figures or these 2 figures. Maybe later you may face some difficulties in the calculations. Okay, if the denominator is in thousands, just multiply numerators. You'll get answer in less time. Okay, so now 65 and 42. I'll do the calculation. 65 and 42, 5 2s are 10. 10 becomes the remainder. 6 2s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 32 plus 1, 33. 3 becomes the new carry. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. Already 1 0 is there now. So answer is 27300, but 2 zeros we can cancel here. So answer is here 273. So this is how we got the answer in easy way. So right. Now again same here. 85 24s are okay, right? We'll do here 85 and 24. So that is 85 into 24. 5 4s are 20 again. 2 becomes the carry. So 8 4s are 32 plus 10. 42 plus 2 is the 44. 4 becomes the new carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. And one more 0 is already there. So means you'll get 20,400. The 2 zeros cancel. 204. 273 minus 204. How much? 69 is the answer. So right. This is. So these are like simplifications. Total 11 questions are there. The weightage of the simplifications is 11 questions. Okay. Yes. Right. Next one. Now the individual questions. Individual questions like method, mixtures and delegations, time and distance, time and work, mensuration. So like that, we will discuss these questions. Okay. So right. First question is X liters of oil is rupees 60 per liter and 60 liters of water is X plus 10 rupees per liter. If sold, the mixture of oil and water for 48 rupees per liter, making a profit of 60%. Then find the value of X. He is asking how many liters of 90 rupees category. Here the two categories are there. This is oil and water. Okay, oil is of how many liters? X liters. Each one cost is 90 rupees per liter. Means the total cost price of the oil is 90x rupees. Okay, fine. Now coming to the water. How many liters it is? 60 liters it is, and each liter cost is X plus 10 and total cost price is 60x plus 600 rupees. The cost price of X liters of oil is 90x. The cost price of 60 liters of water is 60x plus 600. Okay, so right. So now he is giving one more point here, that is if sold the mixture of oil and water for 48 rupees per liter, means the selling price of the mixture per liter is 48 rupees. So from that, can we able to calculate the cost price? Why? Because here all the informations are about cost price only. All the informations are about cost price only, right? So that's why I'm going to calculate the cost price of the mixture, 1 liter mixture. See, cost price of the 1 liter mixture is how much profit he got? 60% profit, right? Okay, I'll give you the formula for this. Just give me a second. Yeah, the basic formula I'm going to tell you. See, what is the relation between selling price, cost price and profit? This is selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage into cost price. Okay, so right. So now what is this? 48 rupees is the selling price, right? So this is 48 rupees, 100 plus how much profit he got? 60% profit he got into cost price. But required is cost price, right? So cost price of 1 liter is 48 into 160 by 100. Sorry, this is 100 by 160. 1 second. 100 by 160. 100 by 160. See, this is 160 percentage. 100 moves to the numerator, 160 becomes the denominator. 0, 0 cancel. 16 here, 3 times, that is 30 rupees. Cost price of 1 liter of the mixture is 30 rupees. Now, I am going to equate one relation. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Cost price of 1 liter is nothing but total cost is how much? 90x plus 60x plus 600 by total how many liters? Total how many liters we have? X plus 60. See, this is total cost price of the mixture by total how many liters. If you divide this, you will get the cost price of the 1 liter, which is 30 into x plus 60 is equal to, this is how much ma? 90x plus 60x is 150x plus 600. This is like 30x plus 1800 is equal to 150x plus 600. So this is 30x, 150x, you will get 120x, and this is 1200. 1800 minus 600 is 1200, which is like 10 times. So x value is 10. Means how many liters? So 10 is the answer. Is it clear? So right. So what equation we did here? So this is cost price of 1 liter is nothing but cost price of the total mixture by the number of liters. I am writing here. Cost price of 1 liter is equal to total cost price of mixture by the number of liters. This logic I used to solve this problem. Is it clear? Right. The next one. Okay, fine. A car started from Chennai towards Bangalore. Okay, this is Chennai. Then this is Bangalore. Car started. This is like okay, fine. We can go with let us say this is a car A. From Chennai to Bangalore, it started at which time? At 8 a.m. Fine. at 8 a.m. Okay, now, and car B started from Bangalore towards Chennai, and car B means like what we can say, this is car B. This is car B which travels from Bangalore to Chennai, and this one also started at 8 a.m. and this also started at 8 a.m. Okay, fine, right? And the next point, if the distance between the Chennai and Bangalore is 960 kilometers, how much is the distance? This is 960 kilometers is the distance given. The distance between Chennai and Bangalore is 960 kilometers, and they met at 4 p.m. and car B covers. Okay, first we'll see this point. And they met at 4 p.m. means car A, let us say, travels this much of distance, and car B travels this much of distance, let us say, and they both met at 4 p.m. The time is given as at 4 p.m. It means that car A travels 8 hours, right? So 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. how much? 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 hours. And similarly, car B also travels 8 hours. After traveling 8 hours, they will meet at some place. Right? So the time is 4 p.m. So observe carefully that point. That may help us in calculating further in the further calculations. And here, the B covers 192 kilometers more than car A. B covers 192 kilometers more than car B. Car A. B covers 192 kilometers more than car A. Let us say car A travels X kilometers. Then what about car B distance? Car B distance is car A distance plus 192 kilometers. So car A travels X kilometers, car B travels X plus 192 kilometers. See, these two distances are nothing but let us say here, this is the distance traveled by the car A, which is like X kilometers, and the distance traveled by car B is X plus 192, and this much distance car B has to travel, and this much distance car A has to travel. See, these two distances are, if you add these two, nothing but that is the total distance between the Chennai and Bangalore, which is 960 kilometers. That is equal to 2x plus 192 is equal to 960. 2x is equal to 960 minus 192. This is how much, ma? This is 8. 15 minus 9, you will get 6. 8 minus 1, that is 768. So now x value is 768 by 2. How much? 3 2s are 8 times and 4 times. 384 is the distance traveled by car A. But he is asking what? The speed of the car A. What is the speed of the car A? So speed of the car A means the distance traveled by the car A by the time taken by car A to cover this distance. How much time car A took? 8 hours. 8 hours, right? Okay, then this is of 4 times 32 and 8 times 64. 48 kilometers per hour is the answer. 48 kilometers per hour. This is D is the answer. Clear? Is it clear, right? See, this point is very, very important. The distance traveled by the A and the distance traveled by the car B is nothing but the total distance between Chennai and Bangalore. This point you should be careful while writing these equations, right? Yeah, fine. Next one. Okay, then 20th one. The ratio of market price to the cost price of the article is 7:5 is given. Okay, I'll consider it as market price and cost price as, sorry, this is 7, right? 7x rupees and 5x rupees. I'll consider it like that. If the shopkeeper offers 2 successive discounts of 20% and 450 rupees. Okay, then. So discount 1 is 20%, discount 2 is 450 rupees. I'm just writing the information. While he gets a profit of 4.5%, another information that is profit is 4.5%. Then find the selling price of the article. He's asking the selling price. This is, see, any relation between selling price, market price, cost price, discount and profit? Yes, we have a relation. Selling price, market price, discount are related, and selling price, cost price and profit are related. and we are talking about the same article, right? So that's why the selling price in the first case is nothing but selling price in the second case. Now what is the first case, what is second case, sir? See, first case means the selling price related to the market price and discounts. Second case is the selling price related to the cost price and the profit. Now I'll write the equation, then you can able to understand the relation between these two cases. So listen carefully. Okay, first selling price I am going to use in terms of market price. See, always selling price can be calculated by subtracting the discount amount from the market price, right? So first discount is 20%. If you subtract that 20%, then what is the selling price? Remaining 80% of the market price, right? So what is the market price? 7x. 7x into 80%. 80% of the market price is nothing but the selling price now. Again, second discount is 450. The second discount also we need to subtract, right? So I'm going to subtract that 450 rupees. Now we got the final selling price of the article. In other case, the selling price is related to the profit and a cost price. So what is the cost price? 5x. Then how to calculate the selling price? That is cost price into profit percentage. What is profit percentage? 100 plus profit, that is 4.5 is given, nothing but 104.5 percentage. I can write like this, these two are equal. This is. So clear? What is the equation? This is the selling price in discount cases and this is the selling price in profit cases. So what is selling price? Cost price into profit. 100 plus profit, 100 plus 4.5, nothing but 104.5, right? Okay, now this one, 7 into 8, 560 actually. So we can write it as 5.6x. 560, right? That's a 5.6x minus 450, that is equal to, and now this one is how much? This one, 5 into 104.5, nothing but 5.225x. So in denominator 2 zeros are there, that's why decimal moves to the left side. So now this is 5.6x minus 5.225x is equal to 450. For the just understanding purpose, I am doing all the calculations, but in the examinations you have to do a little bit fast. 5.6 minus 5.225, nothing but 600 minus 225, which is 375. 0.375x is equal to 450. Fine. Now x is equal to 450 into 1000 by 375. Go with the calculations with the 25th table. 25th table here 1 time, 12 is the remainder, 5 times again, and here how much? 1 time 25, so 20 becomes 200, means like 8 times, right? And again 3 table 5 times, and here 6 times, and 5 here 200 times. 6 into 200, 1200 is the answer. Okay, fine. What is asking? The selling price is asking. So answer not yet completed. We just calculated x only, 1200 only. We need to calculate the selling price. What is the selling price? Either this one or this one. Any of these two you can calculate. See, I am doing here. So that is 5 into 1200 into 104.5 by 1000. 2 zeros. Cancel. You can cancel 2 zeros. And this is like how much this is? This is 100, sorry. 2 zeros only. 2 zeros, 2 0 cancel. 5 into 12, 60 for 1 0, 1 decimal cancel. So 6 into 1045, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 and 2, 6. 6270 is the answer. This is an easy question. If the logic is clear, you will get the calculations. You have to do the calculation within less time. So calculation must be fast. Should be fast in the calculations. Okay, for that this logic should be very clear. Why we equated the two selling prices? Because we have information about the market price and cost price, and he asked to calculate the selling price, right? So then we need to identify any relation between selling price with the market price and selling price with the cost price. If you want to find a relation between selling price and market price, there should be an information of the discounts. If you want to find the relation between selling price and cost price, and there should be information about either profit or loss percentage, these points should be rotated while you are solving the questions related to profit and loss. Is it clear? Yes, fine. Okay, just give me a second. Right. Okay, the next one. The ratio of ages of A and B is 5:4. A and B is 5:4. Okay, I'll write here A, B, let us say 5x years, 4x years. After 8 years, the ratio of ages of B and C is 3:1. Okay, fine. This is present ages. I'll write here. This is present ages. And now I'm going to write here after 8 years. After 8 years, B and C is given, right? So what is B age after 8 years? 4x plus 8. Now tell me, what is the age of C? What is the age of C? See here, B and C are in the ratio 1:3. Means C is 1/3 of the age of B. After 8 years, the age of C is 1/3 of 4x plus 8. Is it clear? Right. This should be very clear. And now, difference between ages of A and C. Okay, I'll write here, difference between ages of A and C is 31 years given. While doing the difference or addition of the ages, the time period must be the same for those two candidates. So here we have to take the difference, right? Means the age of A and age of C should be in the same interval of time. Like these two ages should be taken in the present only. You are not supposed to take like the age of A is the present age and age of C is like 8 years before. You are not supposed to take like that. You have to take the ages in the same interval, same time period. Okay. So right, age of A, present age is 5x minus the present age of C is, we know the age of C after 8 years. How to get the present age? See, this is the age of C after 8 years. To get the present age, I need to subtract 8. Then we'll get the age of the C, present age of the C, that should be 31. Okay, now take the LCM. 15x minus 4x, okay, minus 8, minus into minus plus 3 8s are 24 is equal to 3 into 31, 93. This should be clear. Okay, 15x minus 4x is 11x, minus 8 plus 24 is 16, that is 93. 11x is equal to 93 minus 16. 11x value is 77. Now x value is 7. If x is 7, he is asking the age of C after 6 years. We know the age of C. Age of C after 8 years is this one. Present age of C is this. After 8 years means 1/3 of 4x plus 8 minus 2. That's it. Minus 2 means this is the present age of C, right? After 6 years means just add plus 6 here. Minus 8 plus 6 means minus 2. So that is 1/3 into 4 into 7 plus 8 minus 2. Yes. This one is 28 plus 8, 36. 36 3s are how much? 12 minus 2, that is 10 years. See, not there. None of this. Why he is given none of this option means most of the students will do verification method in ages problems. Why? Because verification is the easiest way to get the answers in less time for the ages problems. That's why he gave the options like none of these also included very smartly. Okay, so that's why you need to do this. You need to solve this question. Then only you will get the answer. Clear? Right. The next one, 22nd. Now the time and work question. Ratio of the efficiency of A to B and C together is, okay, I'll write here. So this is A to B and C together is like 2:3. This is given, okay. And the efficiency of B is 50% more than C. 50% more than C, right? And C alone complete half of the work in 15 days. Okay, C can complete the half of the work in 15 days. It means that C can finish the total work in 30 days. Is it nice? Okay, is it fine, right? Okay, now, and B is 50% more than C. More efficient than C means B can finish it in just 20 days. Is it clear? See, how to calculate this, sir? That is, B can complete in how many days? Is 100 by 150 into 30. Why? Because 50% more, right? Then becomes 150%. So that's why. So this is 5 times and this is 20 times. See this? So 20 days. Okay, now here B and C combined work. Efficiency of B and C is given, right? So I'm going to find the B and C's combined work. This is 60 is the LCM, B and C, and this is of 2 units and this is of 3 units. Now 60 by 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 12 days. So B and C can complete, means together can complete the work in 12 days. B and C together can complete the work in 12 days. Just give me. Okay, fine. B and C complete the work in 12 days. Fine. What is required? So then find the time taken by A alone to complete the work he is giving. Okay, fine. So A is having how much of ratio? 2 by 3. Actually, this is efficiency. Efficiency and the number of days will be reciprocal, right? Means we have to consider 3 by 2. 3 by 2 of B plus C, how many days? 12 days. 2 in 12, 6 times. That is 18 days is the answer. This is 18 days. See, I'll tell you one thing. Efficiency and the days are inversely proportional to each other. If you want to do 2 by 3 fraction of the 12 days, that means you will get the efficiency, but not in number of days. To get the days, you should take the reciprocal. You should take the reverse. That is 3 by 2 fraction. Why? Because efficiency and the number of days should be reciprocal, inversely proportional to each other. So that's it. This is an easy concept actually. Okay, right. Next one. Yes, 23. Okay, the principal amount is X rupees and the rate of interest is R percentage and the time period is 4 years. This is one information. If the ratio of the interest received by Sahil to X is 3:5, means the simple interest and the X ratio is 3:5. It means that simple interest is like 3K, and what is X actually? Principal amount is like 5K. I just want to take in terms of case. Okay, so now what do we need to find? Then find the value of R. Okay, we have a simple logic, that is SI is equal to PTR by 100. We can use that. What is SI now? 3K. What is P? Nothing but X. Value is given as 5K and the time period is 4 years. R value we have to calculate by 100. So K and K we can cancel. 5 here 20 times. 4 in 25 times. 5 3s are 15%. So what is R value? 15%. So this is easy one. Okay, so right. Next, 24th one, partnerships. Okay, partnerships means the question is Shalini started the business with the investment of 3600. Shalini, I'm writing here investment is 3600 and Reena entered into the business after 4 months. Reena entered into the business by investing 3900. This is Reena, investment is 3900 and the time period is about Shalini. He didn't mention, right? Means you can take it as 12 months. And Reena entered into the business after 4 months. Means she is how many years she is in the business? That is 8 months. Okay. So now profit. How to find the profit between those two persons? Profit can be calculated like investment into time period. This is the basic formula. Investment into time period will get the profit. Okay. So fine. Now I'll find the profit actually. So Sheila and Reena. Sheila invested 3600 for 12 months. Reena invested 3900 for 8 months. Then what is the profit ratio? Zeros and zeros. We can cancel. And 3 table here 13 times. Sorry, 12 times. Here 13 times. Fine. So 4 table here 2 times. And here 3 times. And 2 here 6 times. 6 3s are 18 is to 13. This is the profit ratio. Profit ratio is 16 is to 13. But actually, if the profit share of Shalini and Reena are given as X plus 1000 and X rupees, in terms of rupees he is giving. Find the profit share of Reena is asking. How many units of profit Reena is getting? 13 units. 13 units she is getting, right? But actually she is getting X rupees only. Okay, Sheila is getting X plus 1000 rupees. What is the difference between the share of those two persons? 1000 rupees is the difference between the profit share of those two persons. Here in terms of units, what is the difference between the share of profit? 5 units is the difference between those two persons in terms of units. This 5 units is nothing but 1000 rupees, right? This is exact money. This is in terms of ratios. 5 units value is 1000 rupees, but he is asking Reena's profit. Reena is getting how many units of profit? 13 units of profit. This is the logic, simple logic. If 5 units is 1000, 13 units value. 13 into 1000 by 5. This is of 200 times 13 into 2. 2600 is the answer. This is a very important model. Clear? Right. Mensuration. The ratio of the length to the breadth of a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. This is 5x and 3x. This is the length and this is the breadth. And the side of the square is like what we can say. This is the square. Side of the square is 15 centimeters given. The area of the rectangle room is. What is the area of the rectangle actually? 5 3s are 50. 15x square. That is 150 centimeters square more than the area of the square. Means 150 plus what is the area of the square? 15 square, 225. So find the x value. 15x square is 375. 15 here. So 2 times and 5 times. The next value is 5. X value is 5. What is asking? Find the perimeter of the rectangular room. What is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B, that is 8x. That is 2 into 8 into 5, which is 80 centimeters. Right? This is the answer. Fine? Yes. Next one. So the height of the equilateral triangle is 5 root 3. Then find the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay, he is giving height of the equilateral triangle, nothing but altitude is given. What is altitude? Root 3 by 2 into A is equal to 5 root 3 is given. Root 3 cancel, then A is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, this is the side actually. What is meant by A? This is the side. See, this is equilateral triangle. This altitude is nothing but the height. This side is A, and this will be the root 3 by 2 A. Clear? Right. He's asking the area. What is the area now? Root 3 by 4 A square. Root 3 by 4 into A square means 10 into 10. This is of 2 times and 5 times and again 5 times, which is 25 root 3 square centimeters. This one is the answer, right? Clear? Just a simple basic formulas this is. Okay, now next, boats and streams question. This will be the interesting question. Okay, fine. Okay, a boat can travel 680 kilometers. Okay, I'll give you the small introduction for this. Let us say this is a river. River is floating in this direction. Floating in this direction. So means, what we can say, if the boat, a boat is there in the river. This is the boat. If this boat is moving in the direction of the stream, then we'll call it as downstream. If the boat is moving to in the reverse direction of the stream, then we'll call it as upstream. And some more things are there, like speed of the boat in still water is like you can take u kilometers per hour. Okay, and now speed of the stream is v kilometers hour. So okay, I'm just writing few formulas to understand this question because it is a completely different concept, right? So that's why. Okay, now so downstream. How to define downstream? Downstream in the sense speed of the boat in still water plus speed of the stream. Upstream means speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the stream, right? These two formulas should be important, right? And next and a few more concepts like what we can say. So that is speed of the, how to define this? Speed of the boat in still water, u I am going to calculate. So how to define this is d plus u by 2. Speed of the boat in still water. And the speed of the stream can be written as d minus u by 2, the difference between those two. So these formulas you should learn to calculate, to solve this question. These formulas should be learned. Okay, clear? Okay, now, so the formulas are clear, right? Okay, fine. So now, so 680 kilometers, a boat can travel 680 kilometers upstream and downstream in 88 hours. It means the time taken to downstream plus the time taken to the upstream is nothing but 88 hours. What is time? Distance by speed. What distance? 680 kilometers. By speed means speed of the downstream, that is ds, plus, or you can take a d simply, don't get confused. Okay, yeah. Next, again, time taken for upstream is distance by the speed, that is 88. What is d and what is u? I told you already. 680 by how much? Speed of the boat in still water plus speed of the stream, plus 680 by speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the stream, that is equal to 88. Is it clear? So now, okay, we'll make it simple, right? So now, next, see the statement. If the speed of the boat in still water is 24 kilometers more than the speed of the upstream, okay, means speed of the downstream, speed of the boat in downstream, that is d, is 24 kilometers per hour more than the speed of the upstream. This is the relation. It means that difference between those two speeds is 24. So from this information, what we can able to calculate, we have a logic. Speed of the stream, that is d minus u by 2, which is 24 by 2, nothing but 12 kilometers per hour. See, this is 12 kilometers per hour. Means we have to calculate the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. How I am writing the equation? That is 680 by, let us say, speed of the boat in still water is x, plus speed of the stream we calculated, that is plus 12, plus 680 by speed of the boat in still water minus speed of the stream, that is equal to 88. Okay, so cancel it here. How many times? 11 times. Here, how many times? 8 times. 64 and 5 times. Here, 8 times and 5 times. 85, you can take common. What will you get? X minus 12 plus x plus 12 is equal to 11 into x square minus 12 square. This is x plus 12 into x minus 12, right? X square minus 12 square. So you can cancel 12. So 2x into 850, 85 means you will get 170x is equal to 11x square minus 11 into 144. How much? 144 into 11. This is 44, 48 and 15. 1584. 1584. Now the equation is 11x square minus 170x minus 1584 is equal to 0. Sorry, this one. This is the equation. You have to solve this and you have to find the x value. Okay. Okay, if you find the x value, you may get the values right. 21 point something, you have to do the calculations there. Means you can take 22 approximately. The speed of the boat in still water, right? U means x I have taken. What is x value? Around 22 you will get if you solve that by using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can use that formula. Okay, it is a little bit of lengthy, but we have to do this. Okay, right. We got speed of the boat in still water is 22 kilometers per hour. But is asking what? The time taken by the boat to cover 330 kilometers in still water. How much is the time? The distance traveled by speed of the boat in still water, that is 22, 2 times 30 times, and this is 15 hours. Around 15 hours it will take to cover 330 kilometers. So listen carefully once again. You will get the concept from this question, right? And for few questions you have to do the regular methods. Okay, of course it is a little bit of time taking, but you have to be fast in the calculations, right? Okay, now 28. The ratio of ages of Sachin and Dhoni. Sachin and Dhoni after 15 years is 15:11. Okay, I'll write the condition of after 15 years. Sachin and Dhoni is 15x, 11x. Okay, the present age of Dravid is 25% more than the present age of Dhoni. Okay, one more information, that is present situation. Present situation, that is Dravid and Dhoni. This is Dhoni. Dravid and Dhoni is like Dravid is 25% more than present age of Dhoni. Means how to write this? This is 125 and 100. Can I take? If Dhoni value is 100, Dravid becomes 125 because 25% more, right? That's why. So 25th table 5 times, 4 times. Now we got the relation. This is present ages of Dravid and present age of Dhoni is 4x. 4x, right? So now, okay, now tell me, after 15 years, sorry, this is 15 years, right? 15 years, 15 and 11. Okay, fine. It should be. Let's make it 15 into 11. Okay, 15 is to 11. Just keep it as it is. Okay, now, so the present age of Dhoni is 4x. After 15 years, what is the age of Dhoni? 4x plus 15. So, right? Okay, now, so present age of Dravid is 5x. Okay, fine. So, now tell me the present age of Sachin. There is a relation between Sachin and Dhoni. Sachin and Dhoni, right? So, Sachin is of how many parts? 15 by 11th part. So, present age of, sorry, after 15 years, we'll go back. After 15 years, Dhoni age is 4x plus 15. Sachin age must be 15 by 11th part of Dhoni's age. Will agree? This is Dhoni's age. In this age, Sachin age will be 15th by 11th part. This is the age of Sachin. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, right. Sachin's age of Sachin after 15 years. This is age of Dhoni after 15 years, age of Sachin after 15 years. Okay, so now the main condition. What is the main condition? The sum of the present age of Sachin and Dravid is 110. What is the present age of Sachin? We know the age of Sachin after 15 years. How to get the present age? By subtracting 15 from the 15 years age. You will get the present age of the Sachin. Plus, present age of Dravid is 5x and the total is 110 is given. The direct equation. So now get this. 15 4s are 60x. 15 15s are 225. Now 11 15s are 165 plus 11 5s are 55x. That is equal to 11 into 110. 1210. 11 11s are 121 and one more 0 you have. This is 60x, 55x. How much? 115x. 225 minus 165. How much? 35 plus 25. 60 plus 60. That is equal to 1210. 115x is equal to 1210 minus 60. 210 minus 60, you will get 150. 1150. 115, 115 cancel. You will get 10. X value you got is 10. Is asking present age of Dhoni, which is nothing but 4x. So 4 into 10, 40 years. This is clear? So this equation is very important. Okay? Okay, right. Okay, just 1 second. Profit and loss. Maybe the last one. Sum of the cost price of an eraser and pencil is 15. So eraser and pencil is 15 rupees. Cost price of eraser and pencil is 15 rupees. I'll take cost price of pencil is x. Then eraser becomes 15 minus x. Right? Okay. The shopkeeper sold an eraser at a loss of 42.5%. Okay? Fine. Pencil at a profit of 15%. If the selling price of the eraser and the selling price of pencil are equal, okay, fine, we'll write the condition. Selling price of the pencil is equal to selling price of the eraser. Pencil is sold at a profit. How much profit? Okay, 15% profit. So how to find the selling price? 100 plus profit percentage into cost price. How much is the profit? 15. 100 plus 15, 115 percentage into cost price of the pencil is X is equal to. Now eraser selling price, again same. But in the case of eraser, he got a loss of 42.5 percentage. 100 minus loss. This is the formula. 100 minus loss percentage into cost price. Again, this is also to calculate the selling price. 100 minus 42.5, which is 57.5 percentage into the cost price of eraser is 15 minus X. This is clear? Okay, right? So now this one is like how much you can take? This is 100 and cancel. And here the decimal means, again you will get 110, cancel this decimal. So the 100 into 115, 1150x. This is 575 into 15 minus 575x. If 575x comes here, this is 0. 575x, this 5 and 12, 7 and 2. You will get 1725x is equal to 575 into 15. Now I will do the calculations. X is equal to 575 into 15 by 1725. So 25th table. 25th table 6 times 150. 225 means 9 times. Here the 25th table 2 times and 3 times. 23 3s are 3 and 15 5 times. This is the cost price of the pencil is 5 rupees and the cost price of the eraser is 15 minus 5, nothing but 10 rupees. Is it clear? So these are the questions from this. Now I'll tell you the weightage here. Weightage in the sense like what you can say. Okay, the widescreen will take. Okay, how much is the weightage in this IBPS RRB Clerical 2021 weightage? I would like to mention that is number series questions are 5, simplifications are 11, ratios are 2, time and work and distance questions are 2, ages are 2, partnerships 1, simple and compound interest 1. Anything else like what we mensuration 2. Total how many? 16, 20, 22, 24, 26. More 3 are there. Total 29, right? More 3 in the sense. So what we will see once again. This is like boards and streams 1 question, 2 questions, mensuration 2. Okay, partnerships 1, SA and CA 1 missed, ages 2 already given, profit and loss 2. Okay, mixtures and allegations. Total 29 questions weightage is there. Okay, so these 29 questions, the cutoff is like 25 to 27 for the last year. I didn't explain the data interpretation actually. So based on this weightage, you can plan your strategies to crack competitive examinations like RRB or clerical, whatever it is. Okay, so fine. Thank you, and we'll meet you in the next video with the next previous year paper like IBPS RRB Scale 1 paper. I'll meet you with that video.